I know this one is doing it, you know, na? I was like, we're not solving it. We're just watching and they have people to solve it. I've been a monkey forever, so it was not new for me. And this one,
I'm a hidden monkey.
Not many people know about, but she's a crazy little monkey.
Hello, both of you, and you look good together, all fresh, though you are at home. And I'm feeling so good to see you together on screen again. It's been 5 years. So what brings you together after 5 years? Why such a dangerous project?
Well, Dangerous was worth it for us to come together. And as individual actors, we both liked our parts and the content which Dangerous has to provide. And I guess that's a wise decision for an actor when you like it and you participate in a project. And then you know that your husband's already playing your co-star. Then it's just a bonus.
Okay. So Bipasha, you have been away for 5 years. So what made you say yes to only this one? Anything special about
Honestly, it? I have no very concrete answer to this, because firstly, for me, I don't feel like I have been away for 5 years, because for me, time has really flown. And this time was very necessary for my personal growth, because I've been working from the age of 15 as a model, then from 19 as an actor. So I've been working all through my life. And this break was very well deserved, where I needed to build a foundation with my husband. I needed to spend a lot more time with my parents, which I never got to do, and my family, my sisters. Gave a lot of time to myself. You know, it's very important, because if you see how life is, how unpredictable it is, it's very important. You can't be always driven by the chaos of it, and live by a regime that, okay, wake up, go to work, come back, go to sleep again, wake up, go to work. So what are you working for? You're working for your family. You're working for yes, there is a part of you that you want to definitely create, and you are, especially for fields like ours, you know, we are more creative. So yes, you satisfy yourself as an actor, but besides that, what are your goals in life? You know, you need to be there for your family, you know, be there for the people you love. And that's very important for me. So now onwards, I'm going to maintain a delicate balance of both of it. But till now, I have really enjoyed my family life, basically. For me, it's not been like, oh my God, 5 years. You guys are quantifying it, so I'm understanding that it's been very long. And now I understand why the people who love me, and all the fans and admirers and the media people from the business, why they keep telling me that, you know, Bipasha, you must do something, you must do something. And I guess now I'm ready. So the only thing is that this project came at a time when I was pretty much getting ready to act again. And it was fascinating, because it's a role of a Scotland Yard detective. And I've been a big fan of detective series. Yeah. I see all the international shows where they had great kick-ass female protagonists. So big fan of all that. And I guess that's how it's happened for me.
She's actually the detective in every show we watch also, because she's always trying to solve everything.
Okay, so what all do you watch?
Everything.
We watch whatever shows we watch. I'm always, even if it's not a thriller, even in a drama, I kind of want to.
I know this one is doing it, you know, na? I was like, we're not solving it. We're just watching and they have people to solve it.
I try to solve everything.
He wants to solve everything before the last episode.
Yeah. So I guess there is a hidden detective in me.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can like keep account of all the projects which will be coming after this, right? More and more.
It'll be nice. She thinks she can keep a delicate balance, but is going to.
No, I'm not going to obsessively work, but I'm going to do good work. Yeah.
Okay, so how did you spend your time at home during lockdown? What keeps you motivated?
See, I'm motivated by everything. Just knowing that I'm waking up before sunrise and watching a sunrise, that's enough motivation for me. And apart from that, I think the phase that the whole world is in, where we are in a process of rebirth, the whole world. I'm trying every day. The motivation is to try and make the self a better self. So how do you make the self a better self? Is by working on the self.
Okay.
There's
Karan,
a
you
lot-
paint and draw as well. So are you
Yes.
like planning to take it to the next level professionally?
It's already at the next level.
It's already there because if you want to see his work, it's
StarInfinityArt.com.
StarInfinityArt.com. You should check out his work. He has curators on board. We were going to have an exhibition, and he does absolutely amazing work.
Aw.
He's a great artist, and yes, as soon as things stabilize, you're going to see. Especially in the art world, there is already a lot of buzz about Karan's work. The curators love his work, and it's just about this whole situation is such that we can't have the exhibition right now.
Yeah.
So we will wait, and on a safer time, we are going to have the exhibition, and his works will speak for it's.
There's one dedicated
Stupendous.
this time as well.
Okay. So I also want an explanation, and people have asked me to ask you this. What is monkey love? Please explain.
See, I'll tell you.
Do
I was-
bandaron ka pyar.
वही है मतलब see I've been a monkey since I was a kid because I'm always hanging from things or hanging upside down or using all four limbs to do things. So I've been a monkey forever. So it was not new for me. And this one, not many
I'm a
people
hidden monkey.
know about, but she's a crazy little monkey. Like one of those you won't recognize her. You'll be like, how can so then two monkeys meet and they fall in love. So it's monkey love.
Okay. So you have been together for 5 years. If I just ask you, must have already spoken about it before.
More
What
than
was
5
the
years now. Yeah.
okay longer? I'm like counting from a marriage. So
Huh.
so what was the most romantic thing about the proposal? Can you just spill a few beans about it? Who did and
The most romantic thing is that I recorded our proposal without even knowing that he's going to propose, because it was New Year's Eve in Koh Samui, and I have a habit like I love fireworks, and we were watching fireworks, and I was shooting the fireworks and shooting us on selfie mode. So, and we had turned towards the fireworks and we were shooting ourselves, and suddenly he started saying something. He's saying something, and there's loud noise and music and everything. And then suddenly I saw a ring pop into the frame while I was shooting. And then I was like, it looked like, and the phone fell.
That looked like the horror film is going to start right there. You don't know whether the boy and the girl will be alive after that. No?
Yeah, so
it was like
it was
and then
quite shocking for me because I was not prepared for it. And so I was tongue-tied. So he was sitting on his knees.
For about 10 minutes.
And I was just like...
And she was crying.
I was crying and rambling some stupid stuff.
And everybody around us was looking like, this boy is troubling this girl.
oh
We
my
should
God.
help her. And I was like, no.
Yeah, but it was very, very sweet of him. It was really sweetly planned. And even the effort he put in making the ring and designing it, it's really sweet. Like, I love my ring. And
So he designed it.
he worked with the stylist and the designer and chose everything. It was not like something that he picked.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So here comes the art angle. So you have picked the right man. Yeah. So I just have a fun round for both of you. How well you know each other. Karan,
Yeah.
what is Bipasha's character in Raz? What is the name?
Raz, first Raz, and
First Raz.
second
Sanjana.
Anjana. Sanjana, you said it. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Sanjana.
Okay. So what was Karan Singh Grover's character's name in his first stint in Kasauti Zindagi Ki before he played Mr. Bajaj? What was his character name?
I will not know this.
She'll not know this.
I have not seen his TV shows.
Oh my God. This is
And
what-
that also
I have
Kasauti.
heard of them. I've seen this Kasauti, Mr. Bajaj,
Yeah.
and I have, I know
Yeah, this one the question she asked.
Dr. Arman, I
Maybe.
know.
Dr. Rahman is damn famous.
And then I know Asad,
Yeah.
Kubul Hai.
Okay.
So see, it's not that I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just that I don't know that.
That one. It's okay if you don't know that. It's fine.
Okay, you can tell the name of the character, although I know that.
Sharad. His name is Sharad.
Sharad
Oh no,
Gupta.
you don't look like a Sharad.
I know.
I would not even remember. Okay.
Okay, Bipasha, a habit of Karan which you cannot stand at all, even now.
Only one.
See, I'm very patient. I kind of stand everything that Karan does. The little wrong ones, not the rest. He's actually, he's a fabulous guy. And I'm not saying it, I just know it. That's why I love him. That's the reason to love him. But he's messy, very messy. But he's learned to control his mess now. He doesn't make a mess of everything. So earlier, he will pull one jeans out, the entire cupboard will fall. And then he will stuff it back. So now he makes sure he pulls the piles and balances and takes out one, because there's just so many clothes.
Yeah.
But he makes sure that he doesn't make a big mess. And if he has, he tries to put it together and put it back.
Yeah, like I should take my pants off and then
So yeah,
walk.
so wherever
out.
he would change his boxers, like it's like a human being sitting there only.
So next time
Like
to
the
wear it, I
boxer
just go inside
sitting,
it and wear it.
Jeans is sitting somewhere on the floor. Like he's just taken it off and it's sitting. He would never remove it, like take it or put it away. No, but he doesn't do that.
So a habit of Bipasha which Karan cannot stand. There must be something.
She is always right.
Oh my God. So this is a problem.
Very big problem. You know, if that she is always right, that means I'm always wrong.
Oh my God. Okay.
Oh, that's a very big
She's
thing.
very worried about it.
Yeah, but
We don't have so many problems.
no, but like it's like sometimes when we're fighting also, or something happens, and I know that I'm wrong, but I'm so into it that I can't accept the fact that she's already right.
But
So I'm like-
I always know that he's going to realize it. So I just, after some time, I just keep quiet, and I know that he's going to come back and he'll be like, same. You're right.
I'll go with the flow and I'm like, yeah, and then come back and I'm like, you're
Okay.
right. I'm sorry.
So what is Bipasha's favorite dessert?
What's his favorite dessert? Well,
Are you picking the
motichur
dessert?
laddu, I know.
I love only desserts.
Okay. And what does Karan like? Bipasha must be knowing.
Cookies. Cookies that and currently cookies that I bake.
Yeah, those are the best cookies in the world.
I have a horrible time trying to keep them for long. I make it for like 15 days. He eats them all in like 2 days finished.
It's not
everything.
wine. It's cookies.
Everything is finished.
But
Okay.
like the 2 months that the world was open, we were traveling.
Yeah. Jan, Feb, we went to Maldives in 2020. And then the lockdown.
So you were the luckier ones to do it before that. God
Yeah,
bless
because
you.
Jan was my birthday and Feb was his birthday. We decided we'll go to Maldives both the times.
Yeah, both were discussing. Every month we're going somewhere. I mean, like, it's okay, man. Fine. When we can, we go.
And we were feeling guilty. I said, Jan mein gaye, Feb mein bhi jayenge. Then we said, haan, chale jaate. We never knew that the lockdown was going to happen. And then we were like, thank God we went twice.
Yeah, man.
It was the best decision you have made. Okay, so a very goodbye to both of you, and you look so good
Thank
together.
you.
And have a fun time,
Thank you.
and good luck for the show.